Welcome back to my channel, people. Today we are going to go straight into business. I want to show you how I made the faceless YouTube video I posted in my last video. Alright, so I'm already in ChatGPT. Like I said, I use ChatGPT, so I'm already in ChatGPT. I just want to show you the prompts I did. Now, initially, I just did a prompt, top 10 Bible story. It gave me 10 stories. I wanted more. I said top 10 children Bible stories. It gave me another 10, but I wasn't satisfied, so I went ahead to give a more elaborate prompt. You can pause this video to look at that prompt. It's more elaborate. The more you give ChatGPT, the more it will give you. You need to write your prompts in details. I'm still learning how to write prompts, so I think I'm already better, from learning from others and testing it and seeing that really you just need to put the right prompts, you will get the story. So with that prompt, it brought out that layout for me. So I just copied it like that and I took it to
The day went on, the disciples
grew. That video generator is called InVideo. So I took it there. You can see my history on that video generator. That's the first video I made. That's the miracle of feeding the 5,000. So I'm just loading it so that you can see.
Hey there, today I'm diving into one of the most incredible miracles performed by Jesus.
You will see this story there. So that's it. So, but be that is me, I want to show you. Let's do it again. Let's practice what I did the other time. So you can see create a new video on top. So I created a new video. Now these are all free accounts, my ChatGPT free account. So I'm editing that script because it had other elements there. I just wanted it to be only the story. So as soon as I finished editing, it started preparing. Now this is not as fast as you are seeing. Now after preparing a bit, then it gave me some other prompts. Do I want it to be for children? Do I want it to be, it will give you some other prompts and it will start working on the video. Now this is not as fast. If you use your system, it will be faster. You can see there's one yellow red sign up there saying this is not working very well on this. I'm using my tablet, my Samsung tablet. So use your system, you get a better result. So you can see it's already generating the story, the video. I'll let you listen to the video after now. Just watch out.
Why do thousands of people gather with empty tummies? It's all about a miracle picnic with Jesus. Once upon a time, on a sunny hillside near the Sea of Galilee, a huge crowd gathered to hear Jesus. He talked about God's love, healed the sick, and made everyone feel super happy. Imagine, more than 5,000 people. That's like a whole town, but oh no. After a day of listening, everyone's tummies started to rumble. "I'm hungry," said a little girl. "Me too," said a grandpa. "No food in sight." Jesus asked his friend Philip, "Where can we get bread for all these people?" Philip said, "Even if we worked for months, we wouldn't have enough." Then Andrew found a boy with 5 small loaves and 2 tiny fish. The boy smiled and said, "Jesus can have my lunch, I'll share." Jesus took the lunch, gave thanks, and started passing out food. Bread and fish just kept coming. Everyone ate until they were full. Seconds, thirds, and even dessert. They collected 12 baskets of leftovers. From one small lunch, Jesus fed thousands. So remember, sharing matters. God can make big things happen with our small gifts.
You see? Isn't that a wonderful one? So you can see that it's a replica of the one in my previous video. The prompts are not exactly the same. I took there and there, so that's why there's a bit of difference. So that's just it, and those are free versions. Now to edit the videos, I came to CapCut and I edited my video. So I used InVideo, CapCut, and ChatGPT to do all that I did. Now what you're seeing on your screen right now is my new YouTube channel where I will be sharing my AI journey, where I'll be sharing tools, where I'll be sharing tips on how to make faceless videos, and it's going to be a faceless video. In fact, the avatar I used in this video is going to be the main character in the new YouTube channel. I just this is like an introduction, so kindly subscribe to this new channel. That's where we'll be sharing the new journey. Thank you so much for watching my video, and bye. See you next time. Please subscribe, like, comment. See you at another time. Thank you.